Hi guys, welcome back to my Myankaranation YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Ankara shopping bag. If you are just joining us for the first time, please do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you will be notified every time I drop a new tutorial. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much, and God bless you for always coming back to this channel to watch my tutorial. So let's get straight into the video. For this bag, I'm making use of these materials. This is Ankara fabric, this is lining, interfacing, this is bridal satin, scissors and paper. For this bag, this is the measurement we'll be using. We'll be using centimeter for this bag, the back of your taper. So this is 47 centimeter by 31 centimeter. 47 centimeter by 31 centimeter. I have both the front and the back of the bag, and I already ironed interfacing on this Ankara fabric. So the next thing you want to do is to join this front and back together. From your 47 centimeter, you want to join your back together. You just flip this over and you're going to stitch from this point to this point. So guys, when you stitch your bag, you want to open it this way and you fold it into 2 equal parts so that we get the midpoint of this bag. Then you open it. Then you're going to measure from this angle 15 centimeter. Mark it. And you're also going to measure 15 centimeter from this angle. So we are going to do the same for this other side, and this is where we'll be fixing the handle of this bag. For the handle of the bag, this is the bridal satin, and I've already ironed interfacing on it. So let's measure it. The measurement is 44 centimeter by 10 centimeter. So I folded it, and I folded it on each other. So you go to your machine and run a straight stitch, and you also do the same for this other handle. After stitching your handle, then you place it on this mark. You're going to stitch and you will stitch. You will also stitch this other handle to this other side of the bag. So guys, after fixing your handle, this is what your bag should be looking like. And the next thing you want to do is to cover this with your lining. So you cut the lining of the same exact size of your Ankara fabric, and you're going to place it this way. You are going to stitch this lining round, and when you get to this point, you're going to leave a small opening that you can use to turn the bag inside out, and you sew the rest of the lining to your Ankara fabric. So guys, I have stitched the lining round, and I left this opening so that we can turn this bag inside out from this opening. So when that is done, take your fabric to your sewing machine, press it, press the lining, and when you are done ironing, go to your sewing machine. You are going to stitch this back. Start stitching from this opening. So you top stitch, you will top stitch round on the back. So guys, I have ironed and I've also top stitched on the back. You can see how neat the back is looking now. So the next thing you want to do is to measure from this edge 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Hope you can see what I am doing. 5 centimeter from this end, and from this down part you measure 5 centimeter. So you want to fold your bag. You want to fold on that 5 centimeter, and you are going to run a tiny stitch like double stitch on your bag straight down. You are going to come to this other side of the bag as well. Measure 5 centimeter also. 5 centimeter here also. To fold, and you run top stitch at the edge of the fabric. So guys, when that is done, you can see I stitch from the edge. You want to turn your back, and you're going to stitch. So fold your back into 2 equal parts. You're going to run your stitch from this edge down, and you run your stitch from this edge down. So guys, after stitching the side of the bag, the next thing you want to do is to fold your bag from the corners, and you sew a little bit of it. Do the same thing for the other side of the bag. So guys, after stitching the corners of the bag, this is what you should have. And now I'll turn this bag inside out. So guys, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Please subscribe, like this video, share this video to your friends and family. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial.